Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the recent discovery of 62 new moons around Saturn. In May 2023, an international team of astronomers announced the discovery of 62 new moons around Saturn. These moons are all very small, with diameters ranging from about 1.5 to 5 miles. The smallest of the moons is so faint that it is only visible for a few hours each night. The moons were discovered by an international team of astronomers led by Edward Ashton of the University of Hawaii. They used a technique called shift and stack to analyze data from the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope. This technique involves taking multiple images of the same area of sky, then stacking them together to reveal faint objects that would otherwise be invisible. The discovery of the new moons is providing new insights into the formation and evolution of Saturn's system of moons. The moons are thought to have been formed from debris left over from a collision between two large moons. The collision would have created a disk of debris that eventually coalesced into the new moons. The discovery of the new moons is also a reminder that there is still much that we don't know about the solar system. Even planets that we have been studying for centuries can still hold surprises. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the discovery of the new moons, keep checking in. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more space content.